What's up guys? Thank you for tuning in to Music with Mr. Nick. Today we're going to be going over tuning your guitar. It doesn't matter if it's an acoustic or electric, it works the same way. And we're also going to be using a free app today as well. So if you don't have a tuner at home, no worries. Just find a computer or an iPad or a phone and you can download this app for free and tune your instrument up right away. Let's go! Alright guys, so let's get started. Let's jump right in, and the first thing I want you to know are the names of each of these strings right here. So you got 6 strings. Well, hopefully if you have 5, you're probably missing a string. So if you have 6 strings here, we're going to go over the names of them from the top down. So it's like you're holding your guitar and you're looking straight down, and here's what the notes are. It's E, A, D, G, B, and the last string is E. I'm going to put them up right here over the iPad for a second so you can see them. E, A, D, G, B, E. Now it's kind of random, I know, but I got a cool couple sayings here to help you remember this order. Okay, so check it out. First one is elephants and donkeys grow big ears. Pretty true, right? For the most part, donkeys kind of have big ears. Elephants definitely have big ears. All right, so E, A, D, G, B, E. Okay, here's another one. Got one more for you. Eddie ate dynamite. Goodbye, Eddie. Poor Eddie. So, I don't know, whatever one you want to use, that will help you remember the order of the strings. Go ahead and use that. But once again, we're tuning it to E, A, D, G, B, E. Alright, so now that we know the names of the strings, let's figure out how to actually tune this guitar, okay? So, each string is attached to what's called a tuning peg or a tuning key at the top of your guitar, okay? Now, some guitars have them all in a row. Mine has it 1, 2, 3, and then on the other side I got 1, 2, 3. It all works the same way, don't you worry. So the top string is wrapped around this first knob. So when I turn this first knob away from me, my notes are going to go up. And if I turn this knob inwards towards me, my notes are going to go down. Okay? So again, our goal is to tune each string to that order that we went over just a moment ago. Okay? Now to do that, to help us with that, I'm going to use an app here on this iPad. So the app that I downloaded is called Guitar Tuna. It's a free one. There's some other good free ones out there. This is just the one that I use and I like it. So I have it right over here. So I'm gonna hit it. Guitar Tuna, ta-da! So it's opening up right there. Give it a moment. It's taking its sweet time today, isn't it? Oh, there we go. Okay, so when you open it up, it does have a couple different modes, which is cool. You could tune your ukulele with it, and then I have my guitar right here. But even if your guitar doesn't look like this, you guys, if it, again, has all your tuning keys in a row, totally fine. It all works the same, okay? So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to hit my top string just by itself. You don't even need a pick for this. You're just going to hit it so it makes noise, okay? And you want to be careful just to hit the one string at a time, or else this is going to pick up multiple different strings. So we just want to do the top string. So here we go. So I hit my top string and it's telling me, do you see that? It's E and it says too low. So my note is a little too low here. So to make it go higher, I'm actually going to tighten my knob here to make that note go higher. Just like that. See the little knob moving? There you go. And once it blinks green like that, we're in tune. So there we go. So there's our first one, E. And we're just going to do that one by one all the way down. All right, so hit your second note now. So kind of the same thing. That's a little too low. So I'm going to tighten it. There we go. Third string. Ooh, this one I am past that D. So I want to loosen it. I want to go down back to that D note. All right, now I'm going to jump over to the other side. Important note on the other side, if your guitar is like this, 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom, on the top, I turn it away from me to go tighter and inwards towards me to go looser. On the bottom side, it's actually the opposite because it's on the bottom side. So we're going to go with our G, so it's the 4th string from the top. Let's see where we're at. Oh, well, that one was in tune already. Lucky us. So moving on to B, second to the bottom one. Ooh, that one's too low, so I'm going to tighten this one to make it go up. There we go. All right, the last one is E, right? You guys remember that? So my E is too high, so I'm going to loosen this string back down to E. All right, and there we have it. Easy as that. So your guitar should sound like this. E, A, D, G, B, E. If you guys learned anything today, I hope it is that. And so tuning your guitar, it's not that hard, right? Thank you guys for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, you want to see more, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon.